Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. I know I'm pretty early in planning this, but since Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, I like to do like a nice Halloween picture. And last year's one was alright, like it wasn't great, but I want this year's to be great, and I want to do it with my character Twilax. But I'm sure you've noticed I'm not the best at like designing clothes and stuff, so I just really wanted to make sure I had like a nice outfit, which is basically the same thing I was drawing her with, except instead of around her neck, the scarf is like kind of like loose over her shoulder, and like some things about her shirt and stuff, and I like it better already, but I feel like I'm probably gonna do it again. I'm just gonna draw it again, pass over it, see if I can change some things, and because I want the Halloween image to be really good, and I know we're still in September, but I just can't help myself. But yeah, that's pretty much all this is. I'll just let you guys enjoy the song, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.